If you drop an apple from a branch, it hits the ground. It is the most basic rule of physics we learn. Gravity pulls matter downward. It makes sense to assume our bodies work the exact same way. We chew our food, swallow, and assume the meal simply tumbles down a hollow pipe straight into the stomach. But that assumption is completely false. Your digestive system does not rely on gravity to move your food. If we think gravity is feeding us, we are totally misreading the machinery of our own anatomy. Think about an environment where downward pull does not exist. Astronauts floating inside a space station have zero gravity acting on their bodies, yet they still easily eat 3 meals a day. Or consider a playground right here on Earth. A child hanging completely upside down by her knees from the monkey bars can swallow a mouthful of water without it pooling in her sinuses. In both zero-gravity orbit and inverted orientations, the payload arrives at the stomach on time every single time. Gravity exerts zero force on the progress of your meal. Since your lunch isn't falling, an active, invisible biological engine inside your neck must be violently pushing it. These 3 medical X-ray panels show a live swallow study tracking liquid as it travels through the human neck. Look closely at the pathway. The imaging reveals a dynamic, irregular channel that constantly shifts its shape to move the liquid forward. Biologists call this structure the esophagus, a thick, muscular tunnel that naturally remains closed until it detects food. The walls of this tunnel are built from dense, fleshy rings of smooth muscle. They are designed to generate intense, sustained physical pressure. The instant food crosses the back of your tongue, this tunnel awakens. It grabs hold and takes total control from your conscious brain. The esophagus operates as a specialized gripping machine, wrestling your food downward inch by inch and ignoring the laws of physics outside the body. The precise mechanical sequence these muscles use is called peristalsis. To understand exactly how peristalsis works, you only need to look at an everyday object operating on the same physical principles, a tube of toothpaste. Side by side, the engineering is identical. A gripping hand works just like your throat. To move paste, fingers pinch the tube closed. Inside, muscular rings clamp shut behind your food. The loop squeezes inward. High pressure travels downward, forcing contents along the track. Peristalsis is a localized wave of brute mechanical pressure, completely replacing the need for gravity. Driven by this continuous wave of pressure, the chewed payload, scientifically called a bolus, is seamlessly delivered to the stomach. It is a strange realization that this squirming, involuntary sequence of muscle contractions is happening inside your neck right now. It executes its programming flawlessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without requiring a single conscious thought. You are a highly advanced biomechanical machine. The next time you squeeze toothpaste at the sink, remember that you possess that exact same unstoppable mechanical power inside yourself.